AMINISTA kenda bara BATHURIRWE ni gavana MUTUMA twethinge ni barekite kunywa Muuma ntugu ya Rwarine ndina kwambiriria ngwetio utungatira county ya AMERU. MAMBURA yada kubwithikirite kiri yaro ya gavana wa AMERU MUTUMA twethinge ni yethira yekinywa ne atongeria Kathumba na gavana MUTUMA yethirite bera kati kaita kakuringa siasa indi ni kaita ko karandina kurutira AMERU ngwe no ntumero ni tete kaita karaya kimantu igi siasa nacokete wate kwenda mabisa badirikari bethira be muringira ndabe kiri mantu igi siasa akiwa kaiteneka ni kaita kakurungama na kwira AMERU mantu abatire kwithira pakiro na kinyo baritira ngwe nkuluki akiwa MINISTA bateka bethirite babui muno nkuluki yatongere banki county ya AMERU ende ni kanya bai kakurutira AMERU ngwe muthuri murioki na utambirira cyo tukoborware imekorotero ni gavana AMERU Reverend MUTUMA twethingia na kungwa mauri ni county assembly ya AMERU na imuthajwa na arua AMINISTA kenda ba county AMERU ibombete kunywa Muuma njogutonya obicine ekwambiria ngugi.
I, Elias Julius Murega, do solemnly swear
that I shall always truly and diligently serve
the people and the Republic of Kenya
in the office of the County Executive Committee Member for Legal Affairs, Public Service Management and Administration
in Meru County, that I shall diligently discharge my duty
in the said office to the best of my judgment
and at all times, when so required, faithfully and truly,
and hand advice to the governor of Meru County,
that I shall do justice to all. So help me God.
Anyuma kunywa Muuma wathana eburuga gavana ethwa kikira kirore baba kenda nikenda maritu jao kyomba gwikirwa kengathite kithirikari
as duly required by the law. The 9 executive committee members will require to be gazetted as provided by the law. So at this point, I will hand over the 9 names and the prepared gazette notice to Wakili Mwendwa to present it to His Excellency for his signature. Thank you.
Naja na gavana wa AMERU Reverend MUTUMA twethingia kira kirore baba kenda kona ni ogwati botwika MINISTA. Na mwandiki munene wa kaunti ya AMERU wakebere mwangugi ciao iraba kethwa bakirita.
You are charged with ensuring that your respective departments operate efficiently and effectively. This includes the prudent management and utilization of public resources with utmost transparency and accountability, upholding the principles enshrined in our Constitution and laws. Your core duties will include, but not limited to, the following: implementing county legislation. You will be responsible for executing all county laws that pertain to your department, ensuring compliance and alignment with the county development goals.
Ndamuna bubu umwe wao njwe KARWITHA atuke gikaro giki no arokete assembly ya AMERU muthenya na arua nikenda kungwa mauri nikenda kinyawe omba gutwikithwa the minister wege mantu ya MIUNDA.
Optimization of the current systems, I believe I'm up to the task. First of all, automation is the key thing, and when we digitize and automate processes, there is it leaves very little room for interference. That is one. Number two, I will work and collaborate with the stakeholders, the local communities, local authorities, this county assembly, encouraging dialogues, open dialogues and consensus to work on the issues. I am also a people's person. I am a team player. I am a strong believer and a strong supporter of Liverpool, and our slogan is "You'll never walk alone." So you cannot walk alone. So teamwork is key, and I am a team player.
Muthuri murioki Oru TV mutirjo kangangi.